A place in the Sun star Laura Hamilton was forced to call the fire brigade last night as her home burst into flames. The 40-year-old shared a clip of firefighters trying to put out the blaze, telling her followers, "Errr, just a little mishap with the rebuild this morning." 5. Laura Hamilton's house went up in flames. 5. Laura shared a video with fans after calling for help. Credit, Instagram /@LauraHamilton. With the fire brigade coming to the rescue. The mother of two moved into the sprawling new property earlier this month after getting stuck in rebuilding and restoring the exterior. Laura, shockingly split with her husband Alex Gord this year after admitting they were on different paths in their lives. The property expert seems to have gotten over her overwhelming sadness by throwing herself into working hard on a new property. She moved out of her old family home in Purley, which she shared with her kids Rocco, 8, and Talia, 6, and into the new Surrey mansion. Laura has been keeping fans updated on the progress of her new place on her YouTube channel, showing her retiling the roof. After moving in this month, Laura told OK! Magazine that her new place was already feeling like home. "When I walked through the door, it felt like coming home," she said. "I knew from the moment I first saw it. It has such a lovely feeling about it. I do feel like this is my little place in the country." The star opened up that the renovation reinstated her love for buying places and making them beautiful, as she did before her TV career. While so far the home has been repaired and upcycled for the family to move in, Laura has bigger plans for the Surrey mansion. She concluded to OK! That she hoped to put in a double-story extension for 2 more bedrooms, and a gym. Laura's fresh start comes after she announced her shock split from Alex, after 13 years together. She married insurance broker Alex in 2012, 3 years after they started dating. Revealing her breakup, Laura said, "This isn't something I ever thought I'd be saying, but, after 13 years of being together, Alex and I have separated. Our children are and always will be our #1 priority, and we would respect privacy for our family at this time." Alongside her message to fans, Laura shared an image which read, "Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened." 5. Laura has been renovating the house since moving in. Credit, Instagram. 5. The star made the move with her 2 kids following her marriage split. Credit, Instagram. 5. Laura and Alex split after 10 years together. Credit, Laura Hamilton /Instagram. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.